Hilma A.F. Klint was born on October 26, 1862, died October 21, 1944. She was a Swedish artist and mystic whose paintings are considered among the first abstract works known in Western art history. A considerable body of her work predates the first purely abstract compositions by Kandinsky and Mondrian. She belonged to a group called the Five, comprising a circle of women inspired by Theosophy, who shared a belief in the importance of trying to contact the so-called high masters, often by way of séances. Her paintings, which sometimes resemble diagrams, were a visual representation of complex spiritual ideas.